Hi YouTube, I will be showing you today the Nerf gun. Looks like this. And we will be showing it to you today. And here it is. You load it back like that. You pull it back like that, and then you put some bullets in, which I don't have any bullets because my cousin gave this to me and he lost the bullets. And you slide this in and put it down like that, and then you shoot the bullets. And here's a cool thing to show you. You just press this button down. Wait. You press a button right here, and it slides out. Go right here, and it turns into a knife. And all you have to do to put it back is press this button down and slide it. And put this back in like that. Bye, YouTube.